Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we are diving into the upcoming 2026 Nissan Camper van, a model designed for people who love traveling, exploring, and enjoying the outdoors without sacrificing the conveniences of home. Nissan has refreshed the design with a taller roofline, slimmer aerodynamic panels, and expanded glass areas for better visibility and natural light. LED headlights and taillights improve safety at night, while the smooth body lines help reduce drag at highway speeds. The camper van rides on lightweight alloy wheels that enhance efficiency and stability, and roof rails make it easy to mount bikes, kayaks, or storage boxes for longer adventures. Sliding side doors and a wide rear hatch simplify loading gear, whether it's camping equipment, groceries, or luggage for a road trip. Under the hood, performance comes from an efficient hybrid powertrain that blends a gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver responsive torque and quieter operation. This combination helps the van climb hills more confidently, maneuver in traffic with less effort, and stretch fuel mileage during long-distance driving. Nissan includes multiple drive modes to suit different environments, with Eco optimizing efficiency, normal balancing comfort and performance, and Sport sharpening throttle response for heavier loads or quicker acceleration. The hybrid system also reduces cabin noise, creating a smoother travel experience for passengers during extended journeys. Inside, the 2026 Nissan Camper van focuses heavily on modular space and year-round usability. The rear seating area converts from a daytime lounge and dining setup into a sleeping surface large enough for 2 adults when night falls. An optional overhead bunk adds room for kids or extra guests, making the van suitable for families and longer road trips. Soft-touch materials, wide windows, overhead vents, and integrated skylights help create a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Storage compartments under seats, inside cabinetry, and along the ceiling maximize space without cluttering the living area. The cabin also provides USB ports, wireless charging pads, and multiple household-style outlets for appliances, laptops, or camera equipment. What truly sets the 2026 camper van apart are its unique features built specifically for life on the road. A compact kitchenette comes equipped with a cooktop, mini fridge, sink, and fold-out counter surface for meal preparation. An optional roof-mounted solar array provides supplemental power for lighting and devices during off-grid camping, supporting longer stays away from traditional hookups. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the navigation software even highlights scenic routes and nearby campgrounds. Safety technology includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to simplify parking in tight campsites or busy parks. Optional heated water storage, an exterior shower system, and upgraded insulation allow occupants to enjoy the van comfortably across different climates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.